Hi, I'm Sarah Langtree with Interiors by Sarah Langtree, and welcome to Project Family Ties. This project is really special because this house was originally built in 1891 by my client's great-grandparents. So that means he is the fourth generation to be living and working in this home. He is now getting to the point where he's starting his own family, and they want to make their mark and make this area special for them. So we decided to start on the kitchen and dining room area because that is also where you spend most of the time in your home. So originally this was 2 rooms. This was the kitchen here, and then there was a dining room in the back over here. And it was separated by a wall, but also a staircase. So some of these old houses will have your main staircase and they have a secondary staircase. So it wasn't needed, so we took it out to open up the space a little bit more. And then this is now the dining area. We ended up adding some more windows to let in more light here. We added a really great big serving area with a little bar sink, which is great for when you have family dinners. And then this turned into the kitchen area over here. So we've incorporated a really large island to balance out the space with some seating, white oak details, and then the rest of it was a nice crisp white around the perimeter. Now we wanted to keep the integrity of this house because it is a century-old farmhouse, so we wanted to bring in some more warm tones as well to balance out those crisp white cabinets and countertops and the modern things. So we ended up doing a beam. One had to be structural, but we also did a faux beam to balance it out. We did some nice rustic barn doors, which hides behind here the pantry, and then the second barn door coming over here goes out to the main entry of the home here as well. So these are great. They're a great feature because they can close off those sections, but then you can open it up and keep them open if you like as well. So we also wanted to add in a little bit more rustic details. This backsplash is great because it has a handmade old world type feel to it, balanced out with a more modern hood. And again, we added some bigger windows to let more light filter in. If you have a renovation project coming up that you need some help with, feel free to reach out to me and we can chat about ways that I can help you with your project. So thanks again for coming along for the ride and enjoying this tour of Project Family Ties. See ya.